Alright, we're recording the sewer line here at 7 Dravis Street. Date's October 22nd, 2019. What you're looking at there is the Seattle City main. So that's a big clay 12-inch pipe or so. We're about 80-some feet or so out there. I'm going to pull back from there and get a good look at this line. So this line takes on the downspouts, I believe. So we're going to have some water flowing at all times. It's also the same line for the whole building. So we're going to see quite a bit of water flowing. That's a good thing. This is 6-inch concrete. You can see the lines open. And we got good flow. Concrete's getting rough along the bottom there. That's just from 50, 60, 70 years of water running along the bottom of that concrete. There's a turn that drops into kind of the common line for the building. And that's the root there that caused the clog. So that's where we were clogged up today, right at the edge of this plastic line. So after they dug the clean out, there's a root growing in that boot in between the concrete and the clay. Coming up out of the clean out, technician Casey and TJ today. That's the end of the video.